Hello, I'm Zhenxiang. Welcome to my channel. I'm very glad to be a teaching assistant in this deep learning course. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My journey in academic is to understand the world and brain. Several years ago, I studied physics at Peking University in China. After graduation, I worked in a Planovid company to be a STEAM educator and course designer. In the process, I found I'm very interested in human brain, so I came to Japan to be a research assistant in brain science, both at the University of Tokyo and Riken. In my spare time, I like playing basketball, reading books, hiking, and drinking coffee with my friend. Okay, today we will introduce an important function in deep learning called autograph. Firstly, let us look at a function like this. My question is, how can we find partial f over partial x? We can use chain rule to calculate it step by step. But now autograph can help us. It can compute gradient automatically. So it saves our time to do that. Especially in deep learning, the function can be very complex. Autograph makes it much easier for us to train models and optimize their performance. Take a simple example. There are some observed data xy, and we try to find a model to predict y. That means we want to find best estimated W hat and B hat to optimize this model's performance. Our goal is to minimize the loss function. The loss function here is defined as L2 loss function. It is the square of the difference between two value y and the predict value y hat. That means if we explain in this graph, that means we want to find a way to go from the initial loss to the minimum of loss. How to find this way? Traditionally, we need to calculate the gradient step by step manually. But now autograph can help us. All we need to do is to define the loss function. If it's clearly, let me go for the code exercise for this example to build a convolutional graph. Firstly, let me define the prediction. That is the torch hash x multiply cell weight and cell B. And then let me define the loss function here. That is the square of the true value subtract prediction value, and then we uncommute this one, run it. Oops, it works. Good job. I hope you can enjoy the journey in this 3-week deep learning course. See you later.